Trick to add music in WhatsApp status video. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do. Today we're gonna let you know that how to add music on status video of your WhatsApp. How you can do. First of all, requesting you like the video, subscribe channel for get more video like this. As of now, you are checking that many people are posting photos and videos on their social media WhatsApp, and they are adding status over there, and you see that there is a music on that. So how you can do so? Very easy. You have to do a thing is that go to WhatsApp, go to updates, go to this plus icon, and choose this video, I mean whichever video you want to post. After that you will see a music icon over here. You have to choose that one, and after that you can search music over here if you want to search according to your requirement. But if you want to choose any of from them, just play that music. You want to add this, plus on this arrow icon, you can adjust the music from over here, from where you want to play the music, and after that click on done. Now the music is added. You have to press this arrow to send this video. That's the way you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.